If you're investing in sustainability, we need to talk about a game-changing tool. So here's the big question, right? How do you know if that green investment is actually legit? Because the biggest risk you face is something we call the sustainability blind spot.
See, a product might be recyclable, but what if making it was a total energy nightmare?
The only way around this is to look at the whole picture, not just one piece.
And that's where a life cycle assessment, or LCA, comes in. It's a huge deal.
An LCA looks at everything, from getting the raw materials all the way to its disposal. This gives you a way more honest look at the real environmental cost.
Okay, so how does this actually get us past all those surface-level claims?
The bottom line, it swaps out fuzzy assumptions for cold, hard, comparable data. And for you, the investor, that kind of objective proof is everything. It's confidence. You get solid evidence to back up green claims and talk to your stakeholders. This is just crucial for making smart choices about your entire investment strategy.
Honestly, this level of analysis, it's becoming the new standard for serious green investing.
And this is why it's a game changer. It stops companies from just shuffling problems around.
So the final thought is for you. Is your own due diligence really ready for this?